Right now, thousands of XRP holders are gaining access to a token distribution event. I'll show you a working method to verify your address in 30 seconds. Everything is transparent, on-chain, with no intermediaries. Let's dive in. Take a look at what's happening. Phase 3 of the distribution program for XRP holders is now live. Over 480,000 addresses have been verified, with more than $14 million in equivalent value allocated. The mechanics are straightforward. If you held at least 5 XRP in a personal wallet at the time of the network snapshot, you can check your eligibility. No complex steps, just address verification and ownership confirmation. 3 key points to remember. First, a minimum of 5 XRP at the time of the network snapshot. Second, only self-custody wallets qualify. Exchange-hosted addresses are not eligible. Third, 1 verification per wallet address. The project has undergone audits by Halburn, CertIK, and Trail of Bits. All distribution logic is transparent and verifiable on the public ledger. Now, let me show you how it works in practice. I'm opening Gem Wallet, copying my public address, and pasting it into the verification field on the site. Important note, at this stage, you do not need to connect your wallet, sign any transactions, or enter seed phrases. This is simply a public data lookup. Click the button, and we get the result. Here it is, status approved. This address is eligible for token distribution. The allocated amount, $1,250 in XRP equivalent. For context, the program average sits around $312, but the range spans from $100 to $5,000. The exact amount depends on holding history and balance at the time of the snapshot. To complete the process, you need to confirm wallet ownership. Click the blue claim button, select your wallet. Supported options include Zaman, Ledger, MetaMask, Gem Wallet, and others. The system only requests view access to your public address. No private keys, no transaction signatures required. Confirm access, and we move to the final step. And now for the exciting part, watch the allocation arrive in real time. On the right, my wallet. Started with under 10 XRP, transaction confirms, and the balance updates to 528 XRP. Everything completed in seconds. No platform fees, no intermediaries. The record is permanently stored on-chain and verifiable by any network participant. Keep an eye on the timer. The confirmation window closes in 12 days. In the live distribution section, you can see new confirmations arriving every minute. Over 128,000 transactions have been processed, with an average confirmation time of 3.2 seconds. If you hold XRP in a personal wallet, don't wait. Visit website, verify your address, and review the program details. Hit the like button if this guide was helpful. It helps other community members find this information. Subscribe to the channel for practical tutorials and up-to-date XRPL ecosystem insights. Share this video with others who might benefit. See you in the next one.